Hi, I'm Mahima from Rat Genome Database presenting Multi-Ontology Enrichment Tool, a web-based tool for ontology analysis at the Rat Genome Database. The biological interpretation of a large volume of data containing gene lists generated from omics studies is accomplished using ontology analysis tools. However, to date, most available ontology tools are limited in their scope to analyze only specific species or ontology. Therefore, RGD developed the multi-ontology enrichment tool that performs enrichment analysis across several ontologies, including gene ontology, disease ontology, phenotype, pathway, and gene chemical across multiple RGD species. MOIT can be accessed from the RGD front page in Analysis and Visualization menu and individual disease portal pages from diseases as shown below. Users can input the gene list as one of the acceptable identifier type with selected species and ontology from the option shown below, or enter a genomic region of interest and click Continue to view annotations to the overrepresented terms within the user's gene for the required species and ontology. The overrepresented terms are displayed with the number of genes annotated to each term. The p-value calculated by the hypergeometric test, Bonferroni correction, and odds ratio are also shown. The results graph and the list are downloadable. The default p-value is 0.05 and it can be adjusted to the option shown below. And this is the graph with p-value adjusted to 0.01 and the graph is modified accordingly. Compare across species and ontologies by simply clicking on them. This graph shows the results with dog as selected species for disease ontology. Clicking on the buttons that show the number of genes annotated to each term in the list of enriched terms pulls up that list of genes. Explore this gene set sends that sublist back to MOIT for analysis. Now, these are the MOIT results for the gene list associated with the term proteinuria. All analysis tools option provides the option of navigating to and from MOIT and other RGD tools. Here, Olga filters input gene set which is from MOIT and end-stage renal disease genes which are manually added by following these steps to a set of intersecting genes in common between these two diseases. We submit the results set to MOIT using the toolbox link for analysis. Um, Another way to reach MOIT is from the RGD disease portals. For this example, select renal disease portal from diseases or disease portals on the RGD front page. Rat as species and disease as ontology category are default selections. Genes associated with other ontology categories and other species can be interchangeably retrieved by one-click selection. Choosing focal segmental glomerulosclerosis term from select a term shows the associated 80 genes, 19 QTLs, and 8 strains as downloadable list. Gene set enrichment provided by MOIT is on RGD's individual disease portals. These are the results with disease ontology for rat species with the term focal segmental glomerulosclerosis. Other species can be selected from here or from the top of the page. Data sources MOIT uses annotations derived from manual curation at RGD and data integrated at RGD from several other databases such as OMIM, Uniprot, ClinVar, MGI, etc. Advantages of using MOIT over other ontology analysis tools are it is a web-based, intuitive, and freely accessible ontology analysis tool. It performs enrichment for multiple ontologies, including disease, pathway, and gene ontology for all RGD species, mammalian phenotype for mouse and rat, human phenotype for human, and KBI, which is gene chemical interactions for rat, mouse, human, dog, and pig. It facilitates comparative analysis by allowing the user to interchangeably view results from different species on the same page. Thank you.